If you've ever tried to crop just one layer in Photoshop, but found yourself cropping the entire canvas or getting stuck with locked adjustments, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the full process for cropping a single layer in Photoshop. By the end of this video, you'll be able to isolate and crop just the part of the image you want, without affecting the rest of your project. This is a super useful skill for photo edits, digital art, design work, and more. So let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up Photoshop. It's always a good idea to make sure your Photoshop is up to date, but don't worry, the steps I'm showing you should work on most modern versions. Next, open the image you want to crop. You can do this by going to File, then Open, or simply dragging your image file straight into the workspace. Take a quick look at your Layers panel over on the right. You'll see your image as a layer, usually called background. Before we start cropping, here's an important trick. Right-click on your image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Converting to a smart object protects your image from destructive edits, kind of like putting a safety shield around it. This way, you can make changes without permanently altering your original pixels. If you ever want to tweak your crop or adjust things later, starting with a smart object keeps things flexible. Now, right-click your image layer one more time, and this time select Rasterize Layer. Rasterizing essentially flattens your smart object back into a regular layer, so you can work with pixel-level edits. The reason we do this in two steps, first smart object, then rasterize, is to gain the benefits of non-destructive editing before making any final pixel changes. Next up, make a copy of your layer by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J on Mac. Making a duplicate is one of those habits that might seem small, but it can save you from headaches later. Having an extra copy means you have a backup to revert to if you change your mind or want to blend between cropped and uncropped versions. Now, select the rectangular marquee tool from your toolbar on the left. It might look like a little dashed rectangle. This tool lets you draw a selection box over the area of your image you want to keep. Take a moment to position your selection exactly where you like. Click and drag to set the box, and don't stress if it takes a couple of tries to get it just right. Think of it like highlighting your favorite part of a photo before trimming away the excess. Once your desired area is selected, go down to the Layers panel and click the Layer Mask button. It looks like a little rectangle with a circle inside. This might seem technical, but layer masks are your secret weapon in Photoshop. Instead of deleting or cropping pixels, a mask hides everything outside your selection, letting you show only the area you want while keeping everything else intact and invisible. This approach is super forgiving. If you want to reveal or conceal more later, you can easily tweak the mask without losing any data. We're almost done. For one last layer of control, I recommend applying Convert to Smart Object again, followed by Rasterize Layer. Just like before, right-click the layer and choose each option. This essentially locks in your masked crop, letting you edit or save the layer as a standalone image, free from the original background. And that's it. You've just learned how to crop on a single layer in Photoshop, without affecting any other layers or your whole canvas. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to tap that like button. Drop a comment if you have questions, run into trouble, or want more tips. And of course, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and creative guides. There's a lot more to learn, and I'm excited to help you level up your skills. Thanks for watching.